way. This is inside a garage. This street in front of us is 6th Street in St. Louis, and the cross street is Locust there, the long street. So, it's pretty insane. Ouch! I just got hit by another piece of hail. Step back. Oh, it's starting to turn to rain a little. That's good. At least the sirens stopped too.